Hi everyone and welcome to this training. I'm Yaniv Golan, and on this training I'm going to teach you the fundamental steps and concepts behind the system that will allow you to sell anything online. This training will teach you the art of selling products or services online without any need to actually sell it yourself. These are the basics to establish a profitable and sustainable online business that will bring you the passive income for years to come. Now let's talk a bit about sales. Most people believe that selling stuff online is hard. The truth is, they're wrong. You just need to learn the 4 key concepts that I'm about to show you today, and you can sell anything to anyone online on autopilot. So what is the big secrets to online business success? The answer is email automation. Fact is, most successful affiliate marketers leverage email automation on a daily basis. This is exactly what makes their businesses so sustainable and profitable, and allows them to grow and generate fat affiliate commissions each time they send an email to their subscribers. It is the most easy and efficient way of selling nowadays, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do that too. All you really need to understand are just the following 4 core concepts. Concept number 1, an email follow-up sequence. Concept number 2, an automated sales system, aka a sales funnel. Concept number 3 is an email list of potential prospects. And concept number 4 is targeted traffic. Once you have all these ingredients set up, you just cannot fail online. After I'll show you how these concepts fit together in a full automated system and how it all works, you'll come to the understanding that achieving success online is not a matter of if, but when. In the next lessons, we'll dive deeper into each of these concepts and I'll explain them in further details. You may now proceed to the next part of this training.